lovely friends, welcome to Creative Art. I am Nilima and in today's tutorial we are going to make this beautiful and colorful glass photo frame using gallery glass colors from Plaid. These are the most commonly available glass colors in all the art stores of USA from brand Plaid. So friends, do watch the complete tutorial to make this colorful photo frame for yourself. And friends, do subscribe to Creative Art for more creative art tutorials and do press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on a recent art form. Now let's check out all the materials. First of all, for base, I'm going to use a clear glass photo frame. It is a very simple photo frame that opens like this. You have to place your photograph in it and simply close it and then lock it to use it as a photo frame. You can also use the most commonly available photo frames which comes in frames like this, and you can do the same designing part on this white sides or on the clear glass. And for colors, we are going to use gallery glass colors. This is a very known and commonly available glass colors in USA. For lining, we can use a gallery glass leading which comes in black, or else you can also use Fevicryl liner. I do use this one as glass liner for very fine and detailing parts. Other than that, we are simply going to need a paper napkin for cleaning any excess color or checking the shade of color, and we are also going to need a sharp needle like this one for cleaning the tips of these bottles and popping out bubbles. List of all these materials will be mentioned in the description box below. Now let's start the DIY, friends. First of all, we need to select a photo for this photo frame, and this time I'm going to pick this photograph. So this is how the photo frame works. We have to open the lock and it opens in this way. We have to place the photograph right in the center and then close and then lock the photo frame. We are going to use our glass colors and design the outer part of the photo frame. So for that, I'm going to open our photo frame and place the photograph on this part of the glass, right in the center. I'm actually going to invert it first, right in the center, and then using tape, I'm going to secure the photo with the frame in this way, all four sides. So this is the part we are going to do our coloring. Now let's start the coloring part. This time I'm directly going to use colors because it's a very simple design that anyone can do. So first of all, I'm going to use white color and spread it just like a line here. Before starting this coloring part, make sure that your photo frame is laid on a plain horizontal surface so that your colors don't flow on the area you don't want it to go. Here I have used a glittering green color. These colors are also available with glitters and in metallic colors. Next, I have a special gold color. So these are the colors that we are going to use one after other. First is white, light pink, berry pink, violet, aqua blue, Kelly green, parrot green with sparkles, that is glitter, sunny yellow, gold glitters, and orange. And I'm going to repeat all these colors one after other. In case there are any bubbles, use a pin to pop out all the bubbles before the colors get dry completely. And now I've let it get dry completely for at least 24 hours until the colors get transparent, like on this side. It's finally been 24 hours now and all the colors are completely dry and turned out to be transparent. So now friends, we have to take out the photo from back side. In this way, remove all the tapes and place it upside down right here. Because we have done the coloring part here, there is a perfect space for this photo here. Now turn it, put the lock, and this is how beautiful and colorful it looks when we pick it up. If you put this photo frame beside window and when sunlight will fall on it, you'll get a very beautiful rainbow on the back side. You can clearly see when the light falls how beautiful, colorful and bright it looks. So this was the perfect idea for this photo frame. Now let's place it. And now friends, this is how I have displayed the photo frame. It looks so bright, brilliant and colorful that I can display it in any corner of my house. In the same way friends, I have made one more photo frame which looks like this using the same colors. This technique is much more easy and simple because I have used the black liners. You can also give it a try. The template will be available on my website, which is www.creativearthome.com. And friends, if you live in the USA, you can easily buy the gallery glass colors from Plaid, which is available in all the art stores of USA. And if you live in India, then you can use a Fevicryl or camel glass colors for the same. So friends, do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.